Hello guys, welcome to another Amazon Black Friday deal. This is for the Blink outdoor camera, up to 58% off. Here are the deals. I'll leave a link to this page for you guys to check out all these deals right here on different Blink options and bundles. So for a single Blink outdoor camera, it is $60, 40% off. And if you bundle it together with 2 or 3, you can save 44% off. And you can also bundle it with the Echo Show and save between 55% and 58% off. There are also additional features like floodlight bundle, the Blink indoor with battery powered option, solar panel charging option. The Blink outdoor wireless HD security camera features battery powered that lasts up to 2 years. It can withstand extreme weathers. It is made to last outdoors in the rain, snow, and windy conditions. No wiring or professional installation is required. You can do this yourself in minutes. Automatic motion detection alerts sent directly to your phone. You can even hear and speak to your visitors in live view with two-way audio features on your Blink app. Okay, for a limited time only, save up to 58% off. Link is down below. Thanks for checking out this Black Friday deal and happy shopping.